Round 3 of the BHP Premiership, Jack Manske Oval, the venue for this Anzac clash between the North Queensland Gold Stars and the Tweed Seagulls. The Gold Stars' first try came in the 14th minute through Geordie Mahendra Raja. Into the 25th minute, the Gold Stars are in again. Romy Teitzel crossing.
Yeah, mate.
Then just before half-time, the Gold Stars had their third try of the game, this time through Lauren Moss. At the break, North Queensland in front of Tweed, 14 points to 0. 6 minutes into the second half, and Katie Green had this try for the Gold Stars.
Yeah, mate, all good. All good here.
Second try of the afternoon for Romy Teitzel from North Queensland as she scored in the 62nd minute.
Ball's on the grass there, it's on the grass. Ball's right down.
A consolation try for the Seagulls in the 68th minute as Amy Turner crossed.
I'm happy with all that, mate.
A good victory for North Queensland at home against Tweed Seagulls, winning 26 points to 4. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.